of New Delhi 2025 World Para Athletics Championship. Welcome.
Good evening, everyone. I welcome Honorable Chief Minister, everybody's favorite, our Delhi CM Rekha Gupta ji, and Vanati Srinivasan ji, Education and Sport Minister Ashish Sood ji, Devendra Jhajia ji, Kunal ji, Paul, I don't want to mispronounce the name, Paul Fitzgerald ji. We welcome you to India, and today it is such an honorable moment for me to be on this stage, not just as an artist or as a parliamentarian, but even as a daughter of this nation who truly believes in India's ability to rise, to include, and to lead. So when the Committee of Para-Athletes, Paralympics, they contacted me to be the brand ambassador for Para-Athletics World Championship 2025, I took it as an opportunity for myself to grow, to lead, and somewhere the fighting spirit that I had in my initial years, and now it seems a little tiresome. I thought if I have to rejuvenate myself and my spirit, this is a good call from the God that I've been able to witness so many stories of struggle, of hardships, of victory and vision from the people who know how to turn pain into power, how to turn limitations into legacies. I am truly honored to be here and to not just endorse, but to amplify, to stand by and support all the heroes of para-athletics. Like our Pradhan Mantri ji says, वो हमेशा कहते हैं कि ये नया भारत है और ये इस नए भारत का मैसेज है पूरे विश्व के लिए कि everyone, each one of us wants to contribute to the inevitable story of rising India. Each one of us. No one will be left behind. ये भारत का मैसेज है पूरी दुनिया के लिए. जैसे प्रधानमंत्री जी कहते हैं कि ये नया भारत है, ना ये थकेगा, ना ये रुकेगा, ना ये हांफेगा और ना ही ये हारेगा. और अगर कोई भारत की आत्मनिर्भरता की जो स्पिरिट है, उसको पूरी तरह से कंप्लीट एम्बॉडीमेंट ऑफ Bharat's Atmanirbhar spirit is our para-athletes. And we are here to get inspired by your stories. Whole country is rooting for you and watching you all. And there will be so many stories that will come their way to inspire them and to keep in their hearts for lifelong. At the same time, I feel that you all are not differently abled, but differently unstoppable. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Kangana.